Yes, you read that right. From 5 a.m. to 2 p.m. Sobra naman ang probinsya starter pack. It hasn't been this bad before. Parang at most 8 hours yung power interruption. Ito na ang pinakamatindi. And I fear that it's gonna be the norm. Sobrang init. So, I'm not gonna stay here. I'm gonna go somewhere. I'm gonna go out. Hopefully eat some good food. And somewhere cold. I need an AC. Let's go. I'm gonna start with get ready with me. Makeup.
She was a fairy.
Okay, let's go.
You know, like, do you love me? Do you want me? Are you gonna call me like you said you would? Is this really your real phone number?
Some of y'all go get washed, some of y'all just go pop shit, some of y'all just go talk, but none of y'all ain't really got shit, some of y'all just look lost. I get this type of feel you ain't accustomed to. I swear I'll be at peace if it weren't for you. Yeah, yeah, only want your love if it's silent. But if you fuck me, then fuck you. And that's the way I like it. That's the way I like it. Yeah, that's the way I like it. You can smile but none of these bitches. That's the way I like it.
We're on our way to Kaiju. Pamangkin ko, yan. Ang Jisoo fan niya. Ano pala siya? Parang anong sasabihin pag magbibiyahe? Lapinta? Lapinka? Lapinka. Dapat daw lapinka ang sabihin. Medyo malapit-lapit na. Yung Jisoo fan ng my niece took the best picture of my life look. Sino yan? Parang artista. Ganda ng mga shots. Yes. Look at my niece. Look at Mia. Ay. Ay. Ganda. Good luck. Sige ah. Ginusto mo yan eh. Ginusto mo yan. Shit, magkakalat to. Okay, okay, okay. Ay. Yun. Sinasabi ko na eh. Matcha. Masarap nga siya. I'm gonna try the apple crumble cheesecake. Sige, for the gram. Vlog ako. Sino pa na dyan? Ba't nandiyan si Kaloy?
Sa atin tayo.
Hi!
Sa kanya siya kasi yung car.
Ay! Say hi to my vlog.
Hi, vlog.
Kabalo step, di ko hi.
Hi ka! Oo.
Cafe na naman. Busog na ako. Mating na. Sa video for the vlog. Here are my children. My 2 children.
The favorite one?
Yes. And no, you're not the bunso. The middle child syndrome. The girls are gonna go home. Nice to see you. See you next month. Bye. Oh, subscribe kayo ha. To her. Yeah, to me. Me. Bye. Saktong-saktong uwi ko. Pagka-uwi ko, nagkailaw. I am that girl. Just kidding. Pero yung DJI ko, wasak. But I had fun today. Busog ako. Good food. Hindi ako nainitan. And I made a lot of content to post. Please follow me on TikTok as well. Thank you. And see you next time.